Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'll show you how to remove recommended videos and channels on YouTube. Sometimes you might want to remove a recommended video or block a channel from recommending videos. Perhaps you keep seeing the same video again and again which you are not interested in, but the YouTube algorithm thinks that you like it because you watched something similar before. Or maybe a channel keeps recommending videos that you find distracting. Whatever the reason is, I'll guide you through this process step by step. So let's get started. First, go ahead and launch your YouTube application, or you can also go to youtube.com and log into your specific account. Now find the video from the channel that you want to block. Now tap on the three dots and here select not interested. This video will be removed and you should not see it recommended again. If you made a mistake, you can undo it. To block an entire channel, find the video from that specific channel and tap on these three dots over here and you'll get the option of do not recommend channel. Go ahead and select this option and you'll be done. YouTube will no longer recommend videos from that channel to you. It's that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.